So we are going to plot a line graph with the following numbers. So what we're going to do is insert. Okay, we can select this group of numbers and then we can go and insert, and we can just click on this and it will plot this particular chart. Now what I want to do is, on this chart I want beside these numbers I will I want to write these down: 1 2 4 7, 1 against the number 1. I want to write 2, the word 2 against the number 2, and so on and so forth. Okay, click on this line, it will select the entire line and you will see some 4 small dots like this. Then anywhere you just right click. When you right click, you'll see an option of add data labels. So you just click on add data labels. It will show these numbers, that is 1 2 3 4 against all these points. Now what I want to do is, rather than these numbers, I want to show these the numbers that are written against these numerals. So what I'll do is, I'll right click again and on this particular blue line, and I'll say format data labels. When I click on format data labels, on the right hand side it will show me format data labels, label options. So now what I'll do is, label contains value from cells. Now I'm going to choose these cells and it gets selected over here from sheet C2 to C11. I click on OK, and now you can see that it will show those numbers, those words against those numbers, as well as the numbers themselves. So now I don't want to see the numbers, I just want to see the words. So I'll uncheck value, so it will show these, and that's it. So I'm able to see all these. Now another interesting thing that you can do is, you just right click on this, you click on format data labels. Then what you have to do is, you have to come here, and on any of these boxes you just right click again, and you will see an option of change data label shapes. Then you can change the shapes to say like, for example, those I want to show it like this, so it will be seen like this. Otherwise what I'll do is, I'll change their position, I'll make them to the left, and I'll change data label shapes, and I'll make it like this so that it becomes more readable. So this is the way you do it. Thank you.